Hi everybody, my name is Aaliyah Booble and I just used the Adelaine Morin X Tarte palette to create this makeup look. So if you want to know how I did it, keep watching. That was so extra. I was like... oh my gosh. Okay, but seriously, if you want to see me do my makeup and review the Adelaine Morin X Tarte palette, you should totally keep watching this video. I've been wanting the Adelaine Morin palette for like ever, but it's super expensive and I'm really cheap. But it was on sale for, actually let me just check. I feel really bougie. The original price is $39 and it was a 30% off select item sale. So I saved $11.70 and got the palette for $27.30, which made my little heart sing because I got to use my Christmas cards. Thank you, my aunt and uncle. But also, if you don't know who Adelaine Morin is, she is the most wonderful YouTuber who does vlogs, like lifestyle and makeup videos. She loves the color yellow and she is so super inspiring to me because she is honestly just the biggest sweetheart. I want to meet her in real life one day. She's so amazing. And she's helped me through some times when I have not been so great with my mental health, but she is just amazing about it and she is just very open and I love her. Before we start this makeup look, I'm going to put on some hoops because I can. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you the palette and we can do our first opinion about it and then we can go ahead and get into the makeup look. This is the Adelaine Morin X Tarte palette and I'm so excited. The front of it has a little bit of like gold detailing on it. It's not embossed or anything, but it's kind of like just gold paper and it has all of these really pretty white lemons. And then the actual outline in gold is set a little bit apart from it. And then on the front it says Tarte High Performance Naturals Adelaine Morin Eye and Cheek Palette. And then on the back it just has a little bit about Adelaine Morin. So this is what it looks like. So there's a picture of Adelaine here and this is her logo with her dog Blue and it says Adelaine. I kind of already told you about her, but I'm just going to go through the highlights of this and just read the back of it. Adelaine Morin is a 21-year-old master of beauty, transformation, and entertainment in her blogs. Since creating her YouTube channel in 2011, this Canadian-born influencer captivates her audience love with her passion for makeup, outgoing personality, strong voice for girls, supporting girls, and obsessive love for the color yellow. Hence my outfit. Finding inspiration within her YouTube community and pop culture, Adelaine seamlessly transforms herself into leading figures of film, television, and music. These dynamic videos illuminate her exceptional, talented, and bold personality while also providing her 4 million plus Adelaingels with inspired original content. And just in case you want to follow Adelaine Morin, which you totally should, I'm leaving a link to her YouTube channel in the description box below, and from there you can find all of her other social media. So now we're gonna go ahead and open up the palette. I love Adelaine. I'm like freaking out. And I know I paid for this and I paid a lot. Sorry, I'll stop fangirling. Okay. Sorry. Oh my gosh, hold on, I just turned orange. Let my camera deal with myself for a second. Hold on. There we go. Okay. So, the actual palette looks the exact same and I'm so happy. Now on to the actual palette itself. It has the exact same pattern that is on the outside box. And it says Adelaine Morin and Tarte on the front of it. And then on the back, it just says eye and cheek palette. It gives the net weights of the eyeshadow and blush again. And it has a picture of her logo right there. And it feels really good quality. So now we're going to go ahead and open this up. Oh, that's so cute. I love that. So I don't know if you'll be able to see this, but it's a little clear piece of plastic and it says hashtag Adelaine X Tarte. And then it has some like lemon slices in it. And they are just cut open and they each have little seeds in them and that's so cute, honestly. So now we can go ahead and look at the inside of the palette. So the top half of the palette is a mirror where you can totally see my setup. Hi, me in the mirror. So it just says Adelaine X Tarte in yellow font and it has the same pattern inside as it did outside. And the mirror is exceptional quality. I honestly wouldn't expect anything less. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you about all of the different shades. And so the first one we have is Adelaingels, which is the name of her fan base. and it's this nice tan color. To me it looks a little pink, but I don't know everything in the world. And then there's Mama Morin, which is this very nice reddish pinkish brown kind of thing. And then there's Girls Supporting Girls, which is just your basic mustard color, which I love. And then there's Contour, which is a slightly deeper red brown and a little less pink than Mama Morin. There is Red Eyed Flight, which looks like a shimmer shade, and it's almost kind of like a burgundy, and it has sparkle in it. And then there's Boss Lady, which is just like a nice reddish orange color. There is Law of Attraction, which is a nice gold shimmer shade. Then there's Beat Bop, which is a nice warm brown tone. And then there's Beautiful, Magical, Wonderful, which is a brownish golden shimmer shade. And then the two cheek things, I don't know what they're called, cheek shades, palette, I don't know. There's Promise Ring. It's like pretty close to Adelaine, except it's a shimmer shade, probably a highlighter. And then there's I Feel Beautiful, which is just kind of a nice pink color, which is most likely the blush. I am having great feelings about this palette, and I don't know anything about makeup, but it seems like it's going to do incredible. So let's get into the actual makeup. So what you need to know about Adelaine's palette is it has eyeshadows, a blush, and a highlight. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in with a primer, and I am using the Flower Skin Radiance Face and Body Illuminator. It looks like this, and I'm just putting that on my beauty blender and spreading that around my face. And this really, all it's gonna do is give you more of a shimmery quality to your face. So the next step is to apply your base, and I use the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Tint in the shade Natural Ivory number 20. And you're just gonna go ahead and put that right over the flower primer that you have. I don't know why I said you would have it. That's crazy. If you have the flower primer or whatever primer you put on your face. There we go. Now that your base is done, go ahead and go in with your concealer. And I actually use a stick concealer. So I use a L'Oreal Paris True Match Super Blendable Crayon Concealer in the shade Fair Light. It just looks like this. So the last thing to do with your face is to set it. So I don't know why I said it like that. It's like, set it. So I use the L'Oreal Paris True Match Super Blendable Powder in the shade Neutral. It just looks like this. And I just like to use a big fluffy brush to apply it. And I'm sorry that my camera keeps going from like orange to white on my face. I don't have the greatest camera in the world, but I work with what I got. Now you're gonna go ahead and do your eyebrows, and there are two ways that I do my eyebrows. Either I use an actual eyebrow pencil, or if you're not ready for that kind of craziness, just set your eyebrows with a little bit of mascara or clear gel. There are gels such as this that I got at Miss A's that are perfect just for setting your eyebrows. Hi Tilly, you want to do makeup? I'm going to do my eyebrows and I will be right back. Okay, so I filled in my eyebrows with an eyebrow pencil, and I'm going to use some clear gel, which I just showed you in the previous clip. And I'm just going to use that to set my eyebrows. So I use the Ulta Contour Kit, and it's actually really nice. I don't know if it's still in use, but it has these little cards on the back that tell you how to do it for your skin tone, if you need that, which honestly we all need that, you know. Okay, so now we are finally ready to use the Adelaine Morin X Tarte palette, and we're gonna go in with the blush shade called I Feel Beautiful, which is the one right here, and it already looks like it's showing up really nice on my brush, and so I just smile and brush it on. Oh, that's pigmented. Oh snap. I was not expecting that much pigment. Sorry. That's crazy. It's so much pigment. I'm so used to having blushes that don't have a lot of pigment. That's crazy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, I love it. I love it. And it's showing up a little weird on my screen. It's making me a little more like pale than I am. But it looks incredible. It looks amazing. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with the highlight shade called Promise Ring, and I'm just gonna use my little fan brush and just, oh, y'all see that, right? Like that just appeared out of nowhere. Oh my God, I love this. Okay, look at that. Yes. It's crazy. I love it. Okay, so now we're finally onto eyeshadow, which is the meat of this palette, because this palette comes with 2 contour shades and 9 eyeshadows. So I'm going to kind of go for an orangey, goldy, browny thing. I'm trying to use the yellow shades because that's Adelaine's signature. I mean, why would you buy an Adelaine Morin palette except to do yellow? You know what I mean? Like, that's crazy. Like, that's what she's known for. I'm gonna go in with Mama Morin and just do a nice V shape around both of my eyes. And so when I mean a V shape, I mean go from the corner of your eye up a little ways and then curve around like your brow bone, and then as you go in towards the middle of your eye, you're eventually going to want to dip into your crease. So now that we have that nice little transition shade, I'm going to go in with just the shade called Girls Supporting Girls, which is a nice mustard shade, and I'm just going to put that all over my lid. Oh my god, that's so pigmented. Y'all see that? Ooh! Oh my god, I love it. I love it. Okay, so now we're going to go in with a little bit of a shade right here to just darken all this up. I think we're going to go in with Beautiful, Magical, Wonderful, which is one of the shimmer shades. And we're just going to work it right here into the crease. So that color didn't go as deep as I wanted it to, which is not my fault. So we're going to go ahead and go in with contour. And just, let me see, that's better. And just work that right in that little section of your eye right there. And finally I'm going to go in with a little bit of Beat Bop. Okay. So now I'm going to go in with a little tiny brush and go in with a bit of Promise Ring right in the corners of my eyes. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of liner, and the 2 liners I use are either the Miss Rose or the Farrah felt tip eyeliners. I personally just use felt tip eyeliners because I find them better. It's a personal choice, but just go ahead and make a nice wing, and I hope I don't mess this up. Okay, so my eyeliner set. I'm so glad I didn't mess up because I was so worried the whole time that I was messing up. But I think it looks pretty good, and it looks really great with the actual makeup itself. So I'm going to go ahead and do my mascara. So I'm curling my eyelashes, and I use a couple different mascaras. Okay, so my personal favorite mascara right now is the Hourglass Caution Extreme Lash Mascara. This is just the tester because I think the full tube's like $30 and the tester is like $15. So I personally just use the tester, but it's an honest to goodness super great mascara. It's a little clumpy at times, but it really helps to darken and lengthen your lashes. And I love really long lashes. Actually, you know what? I'm just going to put on some falsies. We're putting on falsies. Okay. So, that is a whole nother endeavor. So let me get my falsies out. Oh, we're going to use these. These are the Cara Beauty number 28 in black. I got them from Miss A's. No, eat. I feel like a doll. Adelaine Morin. Honestly, like, Adelaine Morin's coming through. I'm actually going to go back in with my Adelaine Morin X Tarte palette and use just a really tiny brush just to add a little bit more of Promise Ring to the inner corner of my eyes. It's a really good highlighter. Okay, the final step in this makeup look is obviously to get some lipstick on. So let's go ahead and look at our color options. So for this look, I'm going to go in with a little bit of gloss, and this is the Revlon Colorstay Overtime Lip Color / like gloss. It's called Ultimate Wine, and essentially what you do is you use this color and then you put the gloss on top of it, and because of that the gloss gets tinted a little bit pink. So if you have a pinky gloss, that is absolutely perfect for what we're going to do, and then just go ahead and put on your lips. I just think that the little bit of gloss helps bring the whole glow to the face and makes it look very cute and rosy. Okay, so we're done with makeup now. Isn't that exciting? Of course, the last thing to do at any makeup look, and you don't want to forget this, is setting spray. I actually prefer setting spray by Urban Decay but I don't really have that one anymore. So I'm using the one from Hard Candy. It's a Longwear Sheer Envy Setting Spray, and I do it pretty generously. And honestly, whenever I do setting spray, I just try to imagine it's like we're on like a lake or an ocean or something, and I'm just like, just misting myself. Oh my gosh, hold on. Let me get my hair in order first. Oh my gosh. It looks so cute. Okay, so this is the final look using the Adelaine Morin X Tarte palette right here. And so for the reviews, I absolutely love it. It is such great quality. The packaging is adorable. You have not only a great mirror, but you have 9 eyeshadow shades, 1 highlighter, and 1 blush, which I think is a super incredible deal for the $39.99 price tag. And it's even better because I got it on sale for like $27, but that's not important. So if you are thinking about getting this palette, you definitely should. And if you like the palette and are thinking about getting it and you want to check out Adelaine Morin, I'm leaving the link to her YouTube channel in the description box below. So I totally recommend checking her out. She's the Yellow Queen. She is amazing. Okay guys, so I really hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and comment down below any other makeup products you'd like me to try or any influencer collabs or anything like that, because I love makeup and I like influencers, so it's a perfect pairing. Or if you just have any other video ideas you'd like me to try, leave those down in the comment section below too. Make sure to share this with a friend who either loves yellow, loves makeup, or loves Adelaine Morin. And if you like my channels, you could totally subscribe because then you get way more videos. Make sure to check me out on my Instagram at Aaliyah Booble, on my Snapchat at Aaliyah Lauren, and on my Twitter at Aaliyah Booble, so that way we can get to know each other and be the grooviest of best friends. Okay? I'll see you next time. Bye!